In 1950, Alan Turing asked in an article, "Does a machine think?" A simple question that was the beginning of research on machine learning. Machine learning is a term coined by Arthur Samuel in 1959. This technology is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science, and it is very important in data science. Machine learning is about making computers smarter without directly teaching them how to behave. But how does this happen? Using vast amounts of data, computers can automatically learn recurring patterns without human intervention. The learning of these algorithms is done by imitating the way of human learning, and as the computer's experience increases, its accuracy gradually increases. But why is machine learning so important? Machine learning is important mainly because it provides companies with a new view of customer behavior trends when interacting with businesses and business operating patterns, and also supports the development of new products. Many of today's leading companies have made machine learning a central part of their business operations. In general, machine learning has become an important competitive advantage for many companies. Now, what is the main application of machine learning? Today, machine learning can be used in a wide range of industries. One of the most famous examples of the application of machine learning in practice is perhaps its use in the core of recommender systems, which is used, for example, in the algorithm of YouTube, Google, and Facebook's news service. In addition to recommender engines, other systems such as customer relationship management, business intelligence, self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and many other systems also use the benefits of machine learning. Of course, we should not ignore the importance of humans in the further development of machine learning, because it can be challenging to express how a particular machine learning model works when said model is more complex. Data scientists in some vertical industries that have a specific target market or target customers typically use simple models, because it is important for these businesses to explain to their non-specialist audience how each decision is made. This is especially true in industries that incur heavy administrative costs to maintain regulatory compliance, such as banking and insurance. Is machine learning the same as artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a general concept. Any technology that solves complex problems in a way similar to the human mind is called artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence projects, the processes of the human mind and body are imitated and inspired to build technological tools, and the result is the creation of machines that perform tasks even better than humans. With these definitions, it can be said that machine learning is one of the most important branches of artificial intelligence. So, we conclude that machine learning was born from the traditional methods of collecting statistics. It grew with the effort of big companies such as Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, etc., and now it has become one of the hottest topics in the field of technology in the last decade. In the coming years, much more data will be collected through business processes, and this is an opportunity to automatically generate advanced models and the resurgence of machine learning that will probably soon advance beyond our imaginations.